So let us try to write a program for that particular pattern. Okay, so first try to give the BG color. Okay. And later on take the help of some colors, okay, and set the speed also. So I took some colors, I'm setting the speed as what, 0, okay, t dot speed of 0, and then for I in range of some, I will go for 25, okay, for I in range of 25. Change the pen color every time. Colors of I percentage, there are approximately 17 to 16 colors are there. Let us go for 16 colors, okay. For J in range of some 60 circles, I am saying. T dot circle of, okay, 3 into I am saying, not I, it's J, 3 into J. And then T dot left of 45. That's it. Now run the program and see the output. So program is running, see the output.